In front of me is OPPO FIND N2 FLIP, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this OPPO. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy section. Then tap on Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's features that you wish to manage, like phone. Following that, tap on one of your apps, in my case Google Play Store. Now tap on one of those options to set up the chosen one, allow or don't allow. In this case, I need to choose Don't Allow anyway in the pop-up, so when I do that and go back, I can see that Google Play Store no longer has access to my phone. But you can always go back, select any feature and look for an app that you are interested in. I will go into Camera to access my messages. From here, select See All Messages Permissions instead and manage all of them only for this app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!